And we're rolling. Stop. Prank gone wrong in the hood.
Okay, that cow is in the way.
I don't like this.
I feel like it's too long now. I never had this hood before. Alright, man.
Well,
We'll put it back down. The jack can lift it up if it needs to.
yeah, I got it. All right, the hood prop got it, bro. All right. Where'd you mount it? Oh, shit.
Alright, so now, get the tools back out.
You might as well put the hood prop on. What do you mean? Hey, no, bro. He just left it right now.
Let me see.
Yeah, why not?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah. Should we lift it up from the header, bro? Just like bolt a nut to the header? I know. But I was asking if we should do it from right there.
Look it up on YouTube.
What?
YouTube it.
What size is that, bro? I'll see right now.
You ordered it. That's a 10 on top and 12 at bottom.
Son of a bitch. Where is...
I think I have your 10.
Alright, we got you. Oh, nice. We got the top ones too. Very sick.
I'm out.
Damn, hold on, bro. The fucking hood prop is on. Wait.
Lay it back on the.
Okay, let's put it back down because that's the only way this fucking prop is coming out. Hold on, bro. There we go. It's out. This is so heavy.
Fuck.
It's heavy.
You definitely need a carbon fiber everywhere.
Oh, what?
Does it have the screw holes
I can
over
see
there?
your foot.
Yeah.
It's finally over. I'm telling you, bro. Let's just pull it with the whole diff, the drive shaft, transmission.
This motherfucker. Alright, man. Got my thumbnail. Alright,
the e-bricks on, bro?
Yeah.
Where did you look at it from? From the radiator support?
Okay.
Highway. No, that's it. That's what I'm doing.
They're out of jack. Like it. Like that. Drop it.
Give me a second. Go ahead. Sitting on mine.
Alright.
I guess it's 30 more.
That's it.
Take that shit, bro.
I just have a good decent jack. It's not on
For you?
not the Jackson. It's not perfect. It's jack.
Yeah. I see one bolt right here. I see 3 bolts up here. Take some of your wrenches.
That one's a 14, bro.
Yeah, we'll see how far we can make it. I think there's a 14.2 up here. Well, at least for the most part, they're 14. Should have took off the fucking head. God damn. Fuck.
But that was a whole. So Victor had the bright idea, go getting his ball and hitch, and he disconnected the fucking bolt that runs through it with the nut and hella washers and this big ass.
Thanks to my dad.
Yeah, thanks to his dad with
Gotta
this
get a little
thick
shot
ass
of that.
square. So we should be good. The only one I'm worried about now, since that's so strong, is my side, because all I could think of is use the header.
I haven't seen this shit.
So it's pretty deep in there. I'm proud of it. The only thing is,
Wait, we need to stop. Hi.
not yet.
Hey. I heard that.
Oh yeah, the boy.
Wait. We're getting too ahead of ourselves, bro. We haven't disconnected the engine mounts. Talk to that.
You ain't lying. We would have figured that out. We would have
We
figured
would
it
have
out.
fucking pulled the whole fucking the whole car before we. Oh
We
my
would've
God,
figured
didn't
it out.
Disconnect the engine mounts.
Look, bro, we getting there.
main fucking-
Anyway, Enrique is here.
When one light glow at 2 o'clock in the morning, the light wouldn't go on. We will control first. When you are about to experience the awe and mystery which reaches from the inner mind to
Pump Enrique?
I could.
You got it? I was gonna say I'll come around.
What got the.
Alright, we're out of the mounts. I need you up a little more. No? Okay, come back.
Forward?
Come back. Is that one stuck?
Okay, that's stuck.
Yeah.
The motor mount?
Yep.
I don't know if you can really see.
Oh, shit.
Jose got really quiet.
Alright. Go ahead, go back. It's falling down for some reason.
Fucking piece of shit check.
So as you go back, when we come up. Ready?
Fuck, dude, this shit's still connected to the tranny, I think.
Damn. Here we thought that shit was disconnected. Maybe it's the tranny throwing all its weight on it and it's holding it. Like,
Yeah, maybe.
man, I'm gonna say
Did it
because
ever disconnect from the fucking the bell housing? Hold on, but be careful.
yeah, for real.
Oh, the fucking transmission literally still connected.
Oh man.
Shamar, bro, be careful. Put that fucking jack stand a little more far back. I'm gonna lower this shit a little bit.
Whoosh.
There you go. Oh, fuck. I think it popped out. A little bit, but that shit heavy as fuck.
Hey.
Huh? And you get go get the get the motor and pull it back.
All right, I'm pulling it back.
Oh, fuck.
You okay?
Pull the motor as much as you can.
More? All right, I'm holding it because it feels like it wants to roll back.
This bitch kind of light, man.
I mean,
I hope so.
it's only a 4-banger.
Motherfucker barely moving.
There you go. It's because you weren't getting to play. Get every angle, bro.
I'm hearing something.
Oosh.
What are you hitting over there? Is it like pulling on anything though?
No, he's just tapping on this. I forgot what it's called.
I'm gonna scoot it this way a little more.
I'm pulling it towards me.
Other than that, the engine looks pretty secure and pretty good. It's not touching nothing.
Oil pan's almost out, dude. We're almost there. We're almost at the finish line.
Yes, sir. Stop. See, for real, bro. We seen that.
This is where I can punch you.
No, get the screwdriver. Put it
Ah.
behind the flywheel.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, it's coming out. Okay, ready?
Yep. You gotta come on the other side.
The clutch is about to come out.
Other side, bro. Oh, yeah.
Came out.
There it goes. I got it.
It's 2 plates.
Oh, it's 2.
There we go. So that's it to tomorrow.
Ew.
I don't know if that's good or bad.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you got hella hot spots. Holy fuck.
That's because the clutch was never adjusted properly.
Shit. These are hot spots, Enrique, bro.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Flip over the clutch. Let's see the other end, Enrique. Put it down. You can put it down now.
So if you don't know why these are bad, it's because your clutch can get really hot and then end up just basically welding itself to your flywheel. And
Here's
then
your
you
mark.
got
Look at
fucked
that.
clutch
Hella hot spots right there, too.
That shit up, bro.
all the way around. Although this clutch looks like a
Stage 2?
stage 2, stage 3 maybe. It's really aggressive. You can tell by the fucking patterns put into it. Some type of composite clutch, but really not needed. I don't even think that pressure plate matches because it just felt like shit when you drove the car. Flywheel looks pretty fresh though, besides the
Fucking hot spots.
the scorching. But I mean, damn.
Can't get over that.
Sorry.
Oh, I'll pull the spark plug. Does it?
No, it doesn't. We took them out.
Damn, it smells like oil in there, man.
That's because there is oil in there, bro.
Mine too.
That ring was leaking. Probably gas inside the fucking oil too.
You got the last one? There you go. Sorry.
Couldn't even see you, bro. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
no strength over here. The course is too low.